Using a health savings account or HSA card can be an excellent way to save money for medical expenses. But it is essential to understand how to withdraw money from the card to make the most of this benefit. First, it is crucial to understand what an HSA card is and how it works. An HSA card is a debit card linked to your health savings account, which allows you to pay for qualified medical expenses with the funds in your account. To get money off an HSA card, start by checking your account balance to ensure you have sufficient funds to cover your expenses. You can usually do this online or through the mobile app associated with your HSA provider. Next, determine if the expense you want to cover is a qualified medical expense. As defined by the IRS, qualified expenses include items like doctor visits, prescriptions, and medical equipment. If the expense is qualified, you can use your HSA card to pay for it directly. If you need to withdraw cash from your HSA card, you can do so at an ATM, but be aware that you may be charged a fee for this service. It is also important to keep receipts for all withdrawals, as you may need to provide documentation to your HSA provider to verify that the funds were used for qualified medical expenses. Another option is to reimburse yourself for qualified medical expenses that you have already paid out of pocket. To do this, simply log into your HSA account online or through the mobile app, and follow the prompts to submit a reimbursement request. You will need to provide documentation, such as receipts or invoices, to support your request. It is essential to note that if you use your HSA funds for non-qualified expenses, you may be subject to penalties and taxes. Therefore, it is crucial to carefully review the IRS guidelines and your HSA provider's rules before making any withdrawals. In summary, using an HSA card can be a great way to save money for medical expenses. And withdrawing money from the card is relatively straightforward. By following these steps and carefully reviewing the IRS guidelines and your HSA provider's rules, you can make the most of your HSA benefits and avoid any potential penalties. Remember to always keep receipts and documentation for all withdrawals, and only use your HSA funds for qualified medical expenses to ensure you are getting the most value from your account.